Hello, middle school. Welcome to week 6. This video announcement will be for your week 6 lesson plans. There will not be anything to print from me or anything to read that I will download for you. All of this will be kind of a research week. Let's go over the components for this week's lesson plans. The Outsiders, you should have read it and done the story map for me and turned that in. That should be completed. The next book that I will be assigning starting tomorrow, That Was Then, This Is Now by S.E. Hinton. It is a companion to The Outsiders. Okay, it is on Learning ELA. The story map will be due the last day of school. So you'll have 3 weeks to do that. Now, the assignment number 1, you're going to create a way to communicate the Pay It Forward Day movement. Tuesday, April 28th is going to be Pay It Forward Day. Now you have to figure out a way to communicate that in a creative way. All right. The first thing you should do is review this website, globalpayitforwardday.com. You will get information from there and use that in your medium, the way you're going to communicate the information about the movement. Please use a red heart and a hand somewhere in the movement, just like this picture and just like we talked about drawing on the hand. The last thing you'll do once you've reviewed that and figure out what you want to do with that, you're going to choose your medium. This is a list. You do not need to do each one of them. You need to choose one of them. If you like photos, okay, do the photos about the movement, but they need to have descriptions. You're going to use the information from this website, or you can use alternative Pay It Forward Day websites as long as it has the information about the movement. Okay, if you like videos, you can make a video at least 2 minutes long, and it must describe the movement. If you like artwork, okay, if you like to draw, paint, sketch, those kind of things, and you don't like to do videos or photos, then choose artwork, okay? That's your choice. One original, okay, with the entire white space used in descriptions about the movement. Some of you are going to ask me, can I do more than one? So that's why I'm here. I put limit of how many I will accept. If you do not like to do those type of mediums, photo, video, artwork, and you would rather do a PowerPoint presentation, okay, digital media, I will accept the digital technology. Okay, a PowerPoint presentation, you could do at least 3 slides, okay, and it's the original. Use pictures and descriptions about the movement. Okay, so all of these are specific, putting the information about the movement and how you would promote it. But please limit, if you do a PowerPoint slide, limit to 5 slides. Okay, so at least 3, but limit to 5. Be creative. They will be displayed on our Town and Country page and Facebook page. So you need to review the website, figure out how you're going to use a heart and hand, but you need to choose the medium to figure out how you're going to do that. If you think of something different, please email me if you have an alternative so that I can okay that. All right, and remember, please be appropriate. No graphic images or violence. Thank you. Assignment number 2. You're just writing a letter, guys. That's all you're doing on part 2. This describes what I want you to put in the letter. Last week we discussed commas, okay, and where those go appropriately, and the header, the greeting, the text, and the closing of a letter. So all classes, all groups, you'll be writing a letter to a St. John's worker, okay, the people at the front line of the global pandemic. Okay, they're working and they're sacrificing and they're going in every day and putting themselves at risk. So we're going to thank them. And I will take them up there and they will love it. Okay, make sure you have the address at the top. Now that needs to be the school address. Do not put yours. Okay, use the school address, and I put that here on the example. Make sure it has an appropriate greeting. I gave a couple of choices. Your text, you're telling them thank you. You're thinking of ways that they make sacrifices. And how can we say thank you? What can we say to them to show our appreciation? Closing, you need to be sincere, okay? You do not have to put your name. You could put middle schooler, Town and Country middle schooler, your initials, okay? One of those. But please make sure it's there. And then I need the middle text, the meat of the letter, to be at least 4 sentences, complete sentences. And guys, I will be looking for punctuation, spelling, and capitalization, okay? That's all for this week. I will see you guys in Zoom on Tuesday. So do your best. Create and write. Bye.